RenPho Digital Bathroom Scale Review. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this exact same bathroom scale for yourself, check out the Amazon links below this video for US, Canada, and the UK. So in terms of digital scales, this is one of the best ones I've owned so far. I have this one in black and it's got a glass top that gets a little bit dirty with some smudges, but that's not a big deal because it's very easy to clean. It is very responsive and accurate and precisely measures up to 0.1 pounds, and it's suitable for any person weighing up to 400 pounds. It has a user-friendly design. It's very smooth, round corners, nothing sharp, and it's made of tempered glass as I mentioned, and it's very sturdy and strong, I would say. It's about 10.2 inches in size, so I've got about size 10 feet, so it just fits me perfectly. But if you have bigger feet, there is an 11-inch size one as well. It's very easy to read with the numbers, big numbers. It's very thin and lightweight, and you can change the measurements of what you want to measure: pounds, kilograms, or stones. There's a button on the back that you click on and then easily change between the different settings. Overall, it's very easy to use. It's got a couple batteries you put on the back, and it should last a long time. I think it's a very accurate scale, and I really enjoy it. If you want to get the scale for yourself at a fantastic price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it the best